Teletrac Navman's award-winning teams provide the personalized support our customers deserve. Our on-site installations can be flexibly scheduled to accommodate your business processes and ensure little to no downtime is required for your fleet. You can also choose self-installation or bring your own device options if those better suit your needs. Our professional services team takes a consultative approach by taking the time to truly listen and learn, helping you select the right features in our platform that will help you go beyond just meeting your current needs. They'll enable you to continually optimize your business performance. These fleet management specialists work with you to develop your internal processes and create a system of checks and balances that enable business growth and increased ROI. From day one, you will be assigned a dedicated customer support representative that will help make your business more profitable every step of the way. The efficiency of our customers is our top priority. Partner with Teletrac Navman and start moving your fleet forward today.